Welcome to our video demo on supplier onboarding. We're going to show you how CMX1 helps automate the approval and onboarding process for your supply chain partners, which is part of our CMX bite-sized module demo series. With CMX1, you can automate the evaluation, approval, and onboarding of your suppliers, distributors, and other supply chain partners. All your relationships and information is organized and accessible in a single solution. CMX1 is designed to help you reduce the cost and time it takes for onboarding and maintaining partner records. And all of your requests, tasks, and status are easily managed and tracked in one place. In this video, we'll demonstrate onboarding and approving a new supplier, including executing legal agreements with their corporate headquarters, how to perform a desk audit on one of their production facilities, how to evaluate and approve the supplier, and finally, we'll approve that same facility to produce one of our products. Let's start by inviting a new supplier into our onboarding process. Now we'll include the product we want to approve them for. Once we've finished setting up our request, we trigger an email notification to our supplier to complete the next step. Suppliers receive an automated email with a link to follow. The supplier follows the prompts to enter the required information. CMX1 enables you to collect master data and execute legal agreements with your partners. Once the supplier corporate completes and submits their part of the process, your team will be notified to review. With CMX1, your team can easily review the information submitted. Our collaboration features enable you to request additional information if needed. Once satisfied, we'll approve the corporate office. When evaluating suppliers, CMX1 enables a desk audit to ensure each of their facilities meet your brand standards and regulatory requirements. Once completed, the facility submits for review. If needed, you can collaborate with the facility to review and clarify any information before approving. Task management keeps the process moving forward. Next, let's look at how to approve the facility to produce one of your products. Now that we've finished vetting the facility, let's delve into how we collect information and documentation specific to our products before providing final approval. Choose default or custom approval requirements. The supplier facility is notified of your requirements for approval, with clear instructions for the facility to complete. They collect nutrition and allergen information and product claims. The facility will see an updated task list as they complete each step. Review and approve product and packaging labels and graphics. Collect product tests. Collect a GFSI or proprietary facility audit. You can even collect ingredient sourcing and Tier 2 supplier information. It's entirely up to you. As the facility completes each task, your team is always kept in the loop. Each step for collecting, evaluating, or approving is automated, ensuring that your processes are followed. CMX1's alerts, notifications, and escalations ensures everyone stays on track and nothing falls through the cracks. Your team can reject, return, or approve the information submitted, which takes us to the final step: send an approval letter. And that completes the production approval workflow. And that's how you manage the entire life cycle of evaluating, approving, and onboarding new suppliers and their facilities with CMX1.